The following contest is a boiler room match set for one fall for the tag team titles. Introducing first, from Millville, Pedro.
So, here's what happened, okay? Last night, I was told that me and Jake are gonna defend these tag titles together against two jobbers that were veterans since 2010. Well, guess what? Jake's not here. He's on vacation. It's Saturday. I got my Friday shirt on, and I'm still gonna whoop these jobbers' asses. So let's just get this over with.
Alright. Introducing next, it's Rocker and Henney. And the match begins.
Listen,
Pedro's beating up Chuck Henney. And Chuck Henney just got DDT'd to the floor. Superman punch.
You want one too? You want one too?
And there goes Rocker. Rocker's
Look at me.
down.
I'm a jobber. Oh!
Ooh, Henry's not taking none of that.
Oh!
Pedro's getting stomped out by Rocker.
Alright. Alright, you think you got it, huh? Oh!
What's Henny gonna do with that chair? They both have chairs now. Alright. Okay. Pedro's getting brutalized. Pedro kicks out of the torture. And he's ready for revenge.
I'm by myself and I'm still taking a good at it.
Oh,
Will it be you?
Rocker's down.
Stay back. I'm gonna take some. Get out.
Henny tried something, but Pedro's having none of that.
I'm gonna do what my partner, what my buddy in the street crushed would do.
Curb stomp to the chair.
You want a curb stomp too, huh? Huh? Oh!
Henny looking out for his partner. Taking Pedro on. Give him some time to recover. Whatever that was. Rocker Rocker's going up.
We got this.
Pedro's getting destroyed out here.
Tired. Your industry.
What are they gonna do with that tiny box?
Maybe tiny.
Is his name Tim? Is that tiny box Tim?
That has nothing to do with him.
I guess Henney doesn't know Tim.
Come, Pedro.
Oh, it didn't break.
Oh. They're beating him with an indestructible weapon. It is the foreign object that will not break. I still don't think they broke it.
It's not breaking anytime soon.
Looks like they're gonna go for a more destructible object in place of it. Oh, Pedro! Turning things around. Oh! Oh, what's this? All three men are down. Who's gonna go for the pin? One, two.
No.
And after all that, Henney managed to kick out. Rocker's still down. Where's Pedro going?
It's not a regular boiler room, boy.
Excuse me?
It's not a regular boiler room.
I know. I'm just done.
Oh, go get him. Go get him.
Sorry, I dropped my title.
Pedro just knocked Rocker out with the titles.
What a Chucky!
Oh! Henney getting taken out by a medicine ball. One, two, oh! Rocker with the save. It's just one, two.
No.
Pedro can't get a break here. Oh, medicine ball taking a turn. It's like Rocker wanted revenge for what Pedro did to his partner. That's a bucket of balls. Oh. Pedro gets a bucket of balls dumped on him.
Kaboom! You know, Pedro, I know you don't like sports. Let's play football. That's not even a football. You probably thought it was a football, but you know.
They're just